It made the declaration of emergency by the President non-justiciable. The 38th Constitutional Amendment happened in the year 1975, when national emergency was announced. On 25th and 26 जून 1975 को आधे रात को भारत के राष्ट्रपति ने इंदिरा गांधी के सुझाव पर और बिना किसी समझौता के द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया signed a proclamation to declare that a severe emergency exists in which the security of India is threatened by internal disturbances. The 38th Amendment Act 1975 to the Indian Constitution made the President's declaration of emergency unjustifiable. When it was first submitted in the Lok Sabha on July 22, 1975, the Constitution 38th Amendment Act 1975 was known as the Constitution 39th Amendment Bill. तो चलिए जानते हैं जब ये एक्ट आया था तब इसमें मुख्य रूप से बदलाव क्या लाया गया था। सबसे पहला था कि It made the declaration of emergency by the President non-justiciable. दूसरा made the promulgation of ordinances by the President, Governor and Administration of Union Territories non-justiciable. तीसरा यह था empowered the President to declare different promulgation of national emergency on different grounds simultaneously. The 38th Amendment of Indian Constitution ये भारतीय कानून का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है. The amendment codified the declaration of emergency and codified the state's power to remove fundamental rights at the time of emergency. Amendment of Article 123, 213, 239B, 352, 356, 359 and 360 of the Constitution took place in this 38th Amendment. 38th Amendment के लिए H.R. गोखले द्वारा पेश किया गया था. Its aims and provision have shaped the way we live in India today. Officially, the Constitution 38th Amendment Act 1975 made the emergency final and inclusive, and also it gave the power to state to remove fundamental rights from its citizens during a state of emergency. So this was the 38th Amendment of the Constitution of India. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया और भी ऐसी जानकारी अमेंडमेंट्स के ऊपर चाहिए तो हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए. एंड फॉर मोर लीगल अपडेट्स फॉलो इंडिया लीगल.